Dear students, Tenses Academy is presenting a series of visual self-tests of tenses. Since exams will be held on laptop screens in the future, so our academy has decided to facilitate these students. This is aqeel Ahmad. Let's start our 2 day self-test. I dash a long letter yesterday. Wrote.
I wrote.
We dash a computer game last night. Played.
We played.
You dash a strange story yesterday. Told.
You told.
They dash to see me last week. Came.
They came.
Last month he dash my school. Visited.
He visited.
She dash this motorbike only a month ago. Bought.
She bought.
Sarish dash a speech today. Made.
Sarish made.
Qaide Azam dash very hard. Worked.
Qaide Azam worked.
The crow dash a picture in the garden. Saw.
The crow saw.
He dash Pakistan in 1990. Left.
He left.